Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to use Zeely to design professional video ads that can grab attention and convert. If you're looking to elevate your ad game, Zeely offers an easy way to create high-quality video ads without needing advanced design skills. First, open the Zeely app and select the Create option on the main dashboard. From the menu, choose Video Ad, and Zeely will present several templates designed for different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Pick a template that suits your campaign's needs. The beauty of Zeely is that it offers a variety of professionally designed templates, so you won't have to start from scratch. Once you've chosen a template, you'll be able to customize it with your own footage or use Zeely's stock library for visuals. If you already have your own video clips, tap Upload and select the files you want to add. Zeely also gives you the option to add text overlays, transitions, and effects to your video, which are key to grabbing attention. Keep in mind that short, punchy text works best. For example, highlight your product's core benefit in a simple, clear sentence. Next, you can adjust the timing of each scene and its sound. Zeely lets you add background music from their free library or upload your own audio files. Remember, music can play a big role in setting the tone of your ad, so choose something that aligns with your brand and message. You can also voice over the video if you want to explain your product or service more directly. Once your video looks the way you want, it's time to preview it. Zeely allows you to watch a full preview of your video ad, making it easy to spot any edits that need adjusting before finalizing. Make sure the pacing is right. Don't make it too fast, but don't linger too long on any one scene. The goal is to keep viewers engaged throughout the ad. When you're happy with the result, click Export to download your video. You can now use it across your marketing channels, whether that's social media, websites, or email campaigns. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.